Hi guys, it's Salman here from A Garden Revived. It is cold out here and it is windy and chilly and I don't want to be out here, but I do want to show you the growth update on the tulips. But I also need to figure out a situation to where I can cover up the tulips at night, because we have a few nights coming up here that are going to go at least close to 25, and I don't want that to damage the leaves of the tulips so they look all crispy, and I don't want that to damage the bud. So I got to come up with some sort of covering system. So I'll show you what I'm going to do about that. But let me give you a tour of the tulips right now. Do you see this right now? Do you see all these tulips coming up? You're going to have to excuse the wind noise. It's pretty windy. But oh my gosh, they're all looking so good, healthy, and happy. And that can change very quickly with some of the nights we have coming up. And we don't want the leaves to get brown on the tips. It's just not attractive, and we don't want the buds to get damaged either. So we're gonna cover them up. Let me show you some other flower beds with the tulips in them, because they're also doing quite well. Here are the tulips by the bird feeder, and they're coming up as well. And the tulips in the front flower bed cutouts are also doing really well. Very happy with how those are doing. And then we also have the tulips in the containers over here. Now, they have not come up just yet, but I did dig through a little bit of the soil on top, and I did see some green about to pop up. So I think once we have a few more really warm days, they'll start showing. So this is what I'm going to be using to protect the tulips. We have some landscape staples and some frost protective blanket. I'll put a link down in the bio to where you can purchase these for yourself. And I want to find a way to kind of maybe make a flap that I could put over at night, and in the daytime, when it does warm up quite a bit, I can retract the frost blanket and allow the leaves to absorb some sun, photosynthesize, so they can still continue to grow but be protected at night. So let's try with this bed first. So basically, when I got to this point, I had like a breaking point. I got so frustrated and just so upset trying to do this. I had to just take a little break and ask for help. Got that much of it covered up. We cleaned up the lines a little bit. The one by the bird feeder is just doing perfectly. And I didn't cover up the pots because they thankfully have not come up yet, but I'm gonna go inside and drink some hot chocolate or something. This was a very, very stressful project. But if anyone has any tips, please feel free to tell me how you protect your tulips once they've come up. Cold snaps are probably expected for the next month. We'll see. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see an update on how these fared the next week, subscribe to the channel, because I'll let you know how well this actually worked. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.